Colonel K. I've got a video here. I hope you enjoy watching. It's the first time I started my 1942 GPW. It's a Ford-built vehicle. Living in Arizona, and I had a hangar where I had my vehicle stored and where I had a shop. And some gentlemen came to me and said that they had a World War II Jeep and they would like me to help them sell it. So after going over and taking a look at it, it had been registered as a Willys and actually had a Willys plate, and I was looking at it, I realized it was not a Willys. Some distinctive things between Willys and Ford. Number one being the front cross member. The Willys is a circular tube type, and the Ford is a U stamped, and it's of course is placed upside down and welded into the frame. In addition, Ford toolbox covers are generally stamped. Correction, are always stamped, and of course toolbox covers can be changed. There's also a stamp on a Ford is on the frame, whereas the Willys had a tag on the front bumper. Needless to say, gentlemen wanted me to sell it to them. I said, hey, you know, I'll buy it. They said, make us an offer. I lowballed them for $3,500, and they took it. In addition to the Jeep, I picked up a load of equipment: stretchers, Japanese rifles, demilled Russian mortars, a replica 30 caliber machine gun that I actually ended up giving to a buddy of mine for his Jeep. Numerous backpacks, radios, telephones, a boatload of equipment. I actually sold the mortar for $3,000 and almost recouped my cost of the Jeep with that sale. Needless to say, this Jeep is unrestored, but I have brought it back to its original World War II standard with all the equipment and everything on it. I plan to restore it. I have a 42 Ford GPW engine. Unfortunately, this Jeep has a 44 composite engine. That means it's got a GPW head, but a Willys block. So in keeping it real, I'll go ahead and put the 42 engine in. I'm fortunate because this is a script Jeep. That means it's actually got Ford embossed in the back tail panel on the Jeep. So I'm looking forward to restoring it. Currently it's sitting in the TriState Airfield Museum here outside of Batavia. It's on display there along with the B-25 and a lot of excellent aircraft. So please enjoy the video. And please subscribe. I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Alright, I got this thing where I'm going to give her a shot here. Got her, she should run. Let's try her out. Make sure it's in neutral. Alright, baby. Alright, we got some success. A little cold-blooded. Yeah, not too bad. It's been sitting for quite a few years. Alright. I'm liking that. Liking that a lot.